All right. Back like I never left. What's up, Buzz? Welcome to Wanna Buy In. Today we are doing a boxing of the Bugatti M99. I think it's M99. Yes, it is. So this is a $30 speaker, and you can also save 30% on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description below for you guys to check it out. But there's a little coupon right under the price. Make sure you guys click that. I have a little visual right here next to me. But I caught this little thing. I seen it was getting some decent reviews, and a lot of people like the Bugatti brand when it comes to budget, nice speakers. So we're gonna take our first little look at this one. So here we go. Bust that out, and oh, we got little cards flying out. Bugatti lifetime service right here. A little card. If you guys want to scan that, get your little lifetime service. I don't think that'll do anything for you, but user manual. Let's get out this little plastic out. You got your cord right here. Which one? What we got? What we got? Let's see what we got in here. All right. There we go. We got a little jack and micro USB, not USB Type C. All right. So let's get this bad boy out of here. Now on the pictures, this thing looked bigger. Right when I got the box, I was like, oh, that's smaller than I thought. I didn't even look at the measurements or nothing. I just looked right at the pictures, and the pictures you guys can see looks a little bit bigger. But I do like this design. I like the little, whatever these are called, squares, diamond squares, whatever you want to call them. I like this. It looks real cool, real nice. It'll look nice sitting on a desk or something in your house. That's for sure. You got the rubber ends and you got the buttons over here, as you guys can see. Check that out. So you got the buttons right here on the side, and here, let's see where we charge up at. So it'll be back here on this back side is where you'll charge up. But man, this thing does look, I do like this design a lot, actually. This thing it's pretty slick looking right there. So let's connect it, see how quick it connects. Hopefully the battery is not dead, and let's test out some sounds on it. Let's get a little listening. Ooh-wee. All right, so it's on. Let me hurry up, go to my Bluetooth. We're doing this live. Oh, it's already there. It's already waiting for me. It's waiting for me. Connected. Gotta get those Pinoy bangers. You already know my playlist. If you guys don't know, I'll leave that my Spotify playlist of my Filipino rap songs I'll be listening to. Let's go with an oldie but goodie. If you guys know me. This is Max Volume.
Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi ng tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Di kailangan inerhiyan yung negatibo. Kakasimula pa lang sa larong ito. Sabi ng tao sa tabi, dapat akong huminto. Pero buhay matindi, dapat puso ay bato. Dapat puso ay bato. Oo na, mahina pa ako. Okay lang, bigyan mo lang ako ng oras para mag-ensayo.
All right, so what I can notice all right off, it definitely is, it does sound like a, $30 speaker. It has decent volume, not the loudest, craziest volume that you're gonna hear. There is a nice little shake in this speaker when you're holding it and that bass is hidden. I do give it some props. You can hear a little bit of that low end, so that bass and that sub sound. It adds a little bit to the music. I feel like the mids are struggling a bit, so if you have an EQ app, and you can boost that up a little bit, it might bring a little bit more of liveliness into the speaker. And then the highs are kind of sharp, so that means like it hurts your ears, S's and all that stuff, and high instrument sounds. It's a bit sharp on that. So those are some of the things I heard just real quick off of a few songs that I normally go through. But not too bad of a speaker for 30 bucks, and you could save 30% off, the regular price when you click that little coupon on there. So if you guys want to check this out, I'll put the link down in the description below. It was just a quick little unboxing of the Bugatti M99 budget speaker. So if you guys are looking not to break the bank and want a speaker, you guys can give this one a look. So I hope you guys like my quick little unboxing. Get ready for another one. I have another one posted for you probably Wednesday or something like that. So we might do a little bit more boxings on here as well. And then for like the bigger, you know, products that you guys really want to see, we'll get an in-depth review. And yeah, that's how we'll probably start running this, because it'd be easier to fly through unboxings for you guys and give you guys a quick little, you know, sound test and what I thought of that sound. So, all right, but if you guys want to check some more of my videos out, at the end of this video, there'll be more popping up of other reviews we did and sound test battles and all that. You guys can go check that out. Check out my page. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. You guys are helping my channel grow, and I really do appreciate it. As always, buds, everyone be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.